how's it going? Myself Himagya. Today I'm going to walk you all through my project for my skill development course. The course name is Cloud-Based Data Analytics and my instructor is Dr. Vijay Kumar. The topic I've been given for my project is automated web server deployment on EC2 with the secure VPC architecture. So let's get started. For the first step, we need to open our AWS account and navigate ourselves to the VPC page. After going into your VPC page, you need to click on Create VPC for us to create the private network, private cloud. So here, we just need one public subnet for us to host the EC2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one availability zone, and then we have one public subnet, and we don't need a private subnet actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click 0 and we click on create VPC. So now after this VPC is created, we're gonna go ahead and create our EC2 instance. In order to create the EC2 instance, we need to navigate ourselves to AWS start page again and click on EC2, search for EC2 and click on instances, launch instances, and then we assign it a name. Everything's fine. We assign it a key pair. We make sure that the network and subnet are correct or not. We enable the public IP, and the important part is we need to have two security rules, one of which is SSH for admin, for us to edit the web pages, web server settings and permissions, and the other is for the outbound traffic for the users outside of the cloud to access our web page. For that we use HTTP, which is on port number 80, and source type anywhere. So now the next step is we need to add the script for launching our web server. So basically for a web server we need a script, and in our script we're gonna put in commands for installing Apache, running the server, giving this file permissions and all. So for that I already have a script available. So in this script we are installing Apache, we are starting the server, and here we are going into the navigating through the folder that is created by the Apache installation, and then we are creating a HTML file inside it, and also we are setting the file permissions, and with this we are done with the creation of the EC2 instance. So now after we created our EC2 instance, we need to check if our web server is properly functioning or not. For that, let's go ahead and connect to our EC2 instance. We're supposed to go to the folder where our project key is stored, and it is in my downloads, so I navigated to the downloads, and now I'm gonna go ahead and copy paste this command. Now it is asking for my authentication as a host to access the SSH client as SSH client command prompt. I'm gonna go ahead and click yes. So after successfully connecting to the SSH client, we need to check if our Apache server is up and running or not. So for that, the required command is sudo systemctl status httpd. You can just copy and paste it here. And yes, it's actively running. So let's check our web server. For that, we need to go back to instances, our web server, and open address in the public IP. Our Apache server successfully started. This is how we deploy an automated web server with an secure VPC architecture on our EC2 instance. Thank you.